That's a rocket. Probably Elon Musk.
You could hear it.
Holy cow. Look at that thing.
Watch it explode. What's behind it?
That's off the west coast, so that's coming from up north right there. You can see where the sun's setting. Wow, look at that thing. Holy cow.
What's behind it?
Look. There is something behind it, huh? There's like little things, unless those are things falling off of it. You see those things right there? Look at that. Whoa. Don't drop the dirtsicle.